I am live right now with some camera reviews. So if you're watching this, you may see improved video quality or not. I don't know. But I got a new camera. This camera I'm shooting on now, that you're seeing me on now, I got a couple of cameras. This one I got from my daughter for Christmas, and she works at a place where they do audio video stuff, which is pretty cool. And this is the VMate. It's a gimbal. It's a gimbal camera. It's on a gimbal, which is really cool. And I'll review that after I review this one. I can't be recording on it while reviewing it. So this is a AKASO. I don't know. AKASO. AKASO. I don't know. It's hard to pronounce. It's a weird name. Just go to AKASO.com and you're like, how do you spell that? What? But this is cool. It's like a knockoff GoPro, right? I'm not gonna spend $300 on a GoPro, right? I still listen to old dusty vinyl records. You think I'm gonna spend that much money on a GoPro? I'm not gonna do that. But this was like $70, I think, with the shipping and everything. And it is a sweet, so far it's a sweet little unit. I'm going to share some pictures in this video that were taken on this just after our snowstorm, blizzard, freeze that we had here in the Seattle area for about 15 minutes. No, actually it was about 3 days. We had snow, good amount of snow come down for about 2 days, and then it went away. But in the morning we had freezing, like it rained, and then it all froze, which was really cool. Got some good images with this camera, and I set it to the highest quality. So it says it takes 4K pictures. The 4K pictures aren't that great, I'll be honest, but in 1080p mode at 60 frames per second, this takes some pretty great pictures. Is it a GoPro? No, it's not. All right, it's not going to have the high quality of the GoPro. But if you're going to be really risky with your camera, right? Like if you're going to put this on a bike or something, that's another thing about this. This came with all sorts of really cool equipment it also came with an extra battery, which is cool. Let's see GoPro do that. Sell you a camera and an extra battery. Got 2 batteries, so I can have the one charged in here and have another one handy in case I need it. I could mount this on a helmet, you know, working on cars, something like that. It came with underwater unit here, like the little, I mean, it came with all this cool stuff. This is for the tripod, say that. You can hook this to the tripod pretty. It comes with this, whoa, don't drop it. It comes with this device here. You can just slide it, and it's got like a clip on top. It just clips right into place. Slides in, and you got it on a tripod. And it also, you can flip it around, turn it upside down, you know, hang it like this. I bought this separate. This is a squiddly tripod. But man, it just came with all sorts of goodies. You got stuff to mount it on another tripod. There's stuff to mount it on like a bike handlebars. It came with a wrist strap, so you can control. It has like a little remote, and you can control stop and record and pause and all that from right here on the wrist strap that you put around your wrist, which is really cool. So yeah, so far let's see, you got a little device to charge both batteries at once. Plugs into USB, micro USB, and so far it's pretty cool. So anyway, I'll shut up. Here's some of the video that I shot with this device. And after this video, I'm going to upload about 2.5 hours of our birds eating out of the bird feeder in the backyard. Yeah, so you just leave it on and your pets can watch it. I won't have a bunch of ads in it. There'll probably be one ad at the beginning of the video, but we like some of those videos, the live streams of birds, you know, it's just fun to have around, playing around the house. Anyway, we made our own. with this device, and it's a good way to review the device and see if you like the pictures. It was a snowing gray day here in the Seattle area, so. Ponds frozen over. Japanese maple. Frozen G6. Frozen Japanese maple. Everything's frozen. G6 is frozen. Vicky the van is completely frozen. Look at that. It's raining. Freezing rain. Time to try and thaw out old Vicky here.